Hello friends, so welcome back to my channel with a brand new video. You know that I was not posting for many days. Yeah. Why? Because I had my final exams and I had to study. Now my final exams are finished. Now you will get my videos weekly or monthly. Okay. In this video I'm going to show you that how can you run virtual machine in your PC. So what is virtual machine? Virtual machine is used to doing experiment with any OS. So that OS you cannot install in your PC. So you can do it with your virtual machine. So you can test that OS and you can gain confidence to install it in your PC. So you get no failure. Okay. If you like this video, please drop a like and comment your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell button on the side. I'm also giving you my Instagram's profile link on the description box, so you can go and follow from there, and also giving my website's link on the description box, so you can also go and check out my website from there. If you have any queries, you can chat with me there, and you have many things in the website. You can go and check out that website also. And now I'm also opening a WhatsApp channel, so I'm also giving you that link in the description box, so you can go the WhatsApp channel also and go to follow. Okay, so now let's start this video without any further hesitation. So friends, I hope you can see me and my PC screen too. So the first step is that you have to open Task Manager and check that your in your motherboard the virtualization is enabled or not. Okay. At first press Control Alt and Delete to open the Task Manager on your keyboard. Okay. Now select here Task Manager. A menu will open. You have to select Task Manager. Okay. So now click on the performance tab. Okay, see here. Now make sure that here CPU is selected. See CPU. Okay, so here you have to check here. See virtualization. Okay, so here this place you see it is disabled in my place. In your place it can be also enabled here. So mine is disabled, so I have to enable it. So how to enable it? What you need to do, you have to open your BIOS and then you have to enable your virtualization. Okay, I'm showing you how can you open your BIOS and enable that. So friends, I hope now you can see my PC screen clearly. Now what you need to do is you need to restart your PC. Okay, so here click on restart. See start button. Now here click on restart. Okay, see it is restarting. See now when it boots, press the delete key on your keyboard continuously. See, I am pressing it. Sometimes your BIOS also opens when you press F12. Okay, so I am pressing delete key. See, my BIOS is opened. See, MSI. If you have MSI motherboard, it will have delete key as your BIOS key. Okay. So now what you need to do is you need to go to advanced options. See advanced, yes, see it is advanced options now. Now go to here overclocking settings, overclocking, see OC. Okay, now what you need to do here you have to choose here, see advanced CPU configuration, see click on it, and now you will find SVM mode. Okay, see SVM mode, click on it, click on enabled. Okay, done, you have enabled it. So this is the only virtualization. Okay, now you have enabled it. Now what you need to do, just press F10 on your keyboard, F10, and now click on enter. Okay, now your PC will restart with virtualization enabled. Okay, so let my PC restart. So friends, now you saw that how can you enable virtualization in your PC. Okay, now let us check if virtualization is enabled or not. See, let's open the Task Manager. See, it has opened. Now let's go to processes, means performance tab. See, now see virtualization, it is enabled. See, it was disabled, now it is enabled. See, So now it is successfully enabled. Now what you need to do, you need to open your web browser. Like I have opened my Google Chrome. Okay, now you have to search VirtualBox. Okay, see VirtualBox. Okay, see, search VirtualBox. See, now open this here, this first link, Oracle VM VirtualBox. Open this link. Now see, press on this button. See, download means click on this button. Download VirtualBox 7.0. It's a very big button. Please press on this. Please click on this. Now see, there are 5 options. See, Windows, Mac, Linux, and many other options. So I'm in Windows. So if you are in Mac, you can also install. Or if Windows. This Windows one, if you are in means you are using AMD processor, so you have to install this Windows one. But if you are using Intel processor, so you have to download this Mac one. So I'm using Windows one. So let me means AMD processors also. So let me download this. See, it is downloading. See, it will take it is a 106 MB file. It will take very less time to download. So let it download. See, 2 seconds left, 1 second left, and done. So friends, now see, the file has successfully downloaded. See, this file VirtualBox, this Win file, this Windows. Okay, so this file is VirtualBox 7.0. Okay, now just click on double click on it. Now just click on yes. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device, this user account control? Just click on yes. Okay, now here welcome message it will appear. So now click on next. Just let it be in the default settings. Now then click on next. See, this is just a warning that your internet connection means network connection will be disconnected until this is installed. Okay, so now just click on yes. So here also click on yes. So here just click on install. Okay, see, it is installing. It will take some time, so let it install. So friends, you can see that it has successfully installed. Now click on finish and check this. Okay, at first you need to download the ISO file of the operating system to run your virtual machine. So what you need to do is just you need to search Windows 10 ISO. See, Windows 10 ISO, you can see here. Now click on this file. See this link. See, download Windows 10 ISO file. Okay, this Microsoft official link. Okay, so here this will appear. Now you need to click on. See, this option will appear. Download tool now. Okay, see, download tool now. This create Windows 10 installation media. Click on download tool now. Okay, so this is the media creation tool. Okay, so let it download. So see, it has downloaded. Now open this. Click on yes. See, now it will take some time to get ready. So let it get ready. So friend, now see, it is ready. Now click on accept. Okay, again it is getting ready. So it takes some time to get ready. So friends, see, so what do you want to do? See, click on this create installation media. Okay, now see, click on this use the recommended options for this PC and click on next. Just click on this ISO file. Okay, see, click on this ISO file and click on next, and see, choose a location where you want to download your ISO. So see, desktop. See, save. See, now friends, see, it has successfully opened. So now let us click on new. So here you have to choose a name for your virtual machine. Let us give a name like Windows 10. Okay, so now here choose a folder in which you want to install your virtual machine. Okay, so this should have sufficient place, at least 100 GB. Okay, so now here in the folder choose other. I'm choosing a different folder, so I'm choosing this disk. Okay, now select folder. Okay, so done. So now choose the ISO image. So now see, let me choose another. See, this Windows 10 ISO file I have here. So let me open. See, I've chose it. So now what you need to do, you have to see, check this box, skip unattended installation. Okay, done. So now click on next. Okay, now see this hardware. See, So now what you need to do, you have to give RAM to your virtual machine. Okay, so this RAM will be taken from your host machine, from your PC only. Okay, so now I'm giving like 4 GB of RAM. Okay, see, I've given 4 GB of RAM. So in processors I'm giving 2. Okay, or see, 3 I have given. See, I've given 3, so this is enough. So okay, let me give 4 only, so this is enough. So let me click on next. I'm giving 3. Okay, so click on next. Or if you give more, so your PC will slow down. Okay, so now click on next. So now see, virtual hard disk. See, let me choose like 50 GBs only. Okay, let me choose like 84 GBs. Okay, now let me click on next. So now click on finish. Okay, now see, this is Windows 10. See, this PC we have created means virtual machine. Now click on start. It is starting. See, powering VM up. See, it is started. See, now you have to install Windows 10. A setup page will appear. Wait, let it boot for the first time. See, it has appeared. Now click on next. Install now. Okay, see, setup is starting. So now let me click on I don't have a product key now. Okay, now let me choose Windows 10 Pro. So now click on next. So now click on I accept the license terms and click on next. Click on custom. Okay, see, I have this drive 84 GBs. Okay, so let me click on next. Okay, see, it is now installing Windows. It will take some time. Okay, so let it install. So see, getting files ready for installation, it will take some time. So let this installation process this finished, and I will restart this video after this is installed. See, now the PC is restarting. Now no need to press any key. Okay, so it will ask to press any key, but don't press any key. See, it is restarting. Getting ready. It will take some time to get ready, so let it boot and I will start the video after it completely boots up. So now friends, see, our setup page has appeared. Now choose United States or any region. Wait, I'm from India, so let me choose India here. Wait, see, India. So now let me click on yes. Okay, see, just a moment. See, choose yes, and here click on skip. See, now we have some important setup to do. Setup is the easiest step here, and you can easily do it by following the instructions that the setup gives. So I am stopping the video here. I will turn the video on when the OS is successfully installed. So friends, see, it has successfully installed finally. So now see, it has successfully installed. See, it is perfectly working. See, start menu is opening, everything is opening. See, everything is working. See, recycle bin. See, everything is working. Okay, so you can also do it in full screen mode. See, full screen mode, switch. See, I've done it in full screen mode. Now you can work here. Okay, so it's now like your PC. Yeah, so you can now work here. To exit full screen mode, you can go to view and here exit here. Okay, so see, you can see now it is perfectly working. So this is how you can install virtual machine on your PC. So friends, thank you for watching this video till the end. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, drop a like and comment your feedback, and also don't forget me to follow me on Instagram, and that link is given in the description box below, and also follow me on my WhatsApp channel. I've also given the WhatsApp channel's link in the description box, And I also given my own website's link on the description box, so you can also go and check out from there. If you have any queries that you want to make a PC build or anything, you can chat there. Okay, so thank you for watching this video till the end. For now, take care, bye bye, stay safe. So bye.